Okay. So if I use the have been, it need to be ing.
Hmm.
But if I'm using a past tense, I don't need to use have been because it's not happened recently. I mean, I know it's a past tense, but
Yeah.
it's not happened
Hmm.
recently. It's in years ago.
People believe that rejecting income differences among affluent and poor people is necessary for society's overall happiness. This essay provides an evidence-based approach by agreeing to the given statement. To commence with the above topic, it is essential to understand that equal distribution of wealth among people will in other words, scarcity of money can initiate anxiety, stress, and depression, particularly among people who live on a lower economic spectrum. Severe health disorders hygienic, such as hygienic what? Hygienic.
Hygienic, comma, nutrition, and a social requirement. So hygienic requirement, nutrition requirement, and a social requirement. So that's why I put the requirement at the end, hygienic, comma, nutrition, and a social
Okay, you
requirement.
can also write hygiene, nutrition, and social requirements. Okay,
Mhm.
because if you write hygienic, then this has to be nutritional.
Okay.
Okay, so hygiene, nutrition, and social. Therefore, failure to fulfill basic requirements can cause feelings of being left out of society, which may directly impact the mental health of those who suffer from low income. For instance, developed countries provide higher taxes for those earning a higher income, and accumulated tax money is given to job seekers, aged care, and social well-being funds. Aged care is what? Aged care.
Aged care funds.
Okay, all right, the example is also correct, but I don't know why here even though has come. We have we don't have to write any explanation here. You just have to close it now.
Uh-huh.
Mhm. Because we don't need to put a point over here. We can simply write that hence it is visible that equal income distribution may result in creating improved societal mental health like this.
Hmm.
Okay, like do not need to write all these extra things even though and everything.
Okay.
Okay, hence it is evident, or you can write hence it is visible that income distribution equality in many countries
Inequality in many
mm,
countries.
mm, can improve. Why inequality has come here then?
So
Income.
I was
Uh,
saying, yeah, even though it's there,
mm, this.
uh,
Mm.
yes, since they're doing something, so the equality can be bring the mental health well-being.
Now see, very good. See, now you're this is coming to the point. Improved mental health. Okay, so you're this is coming. The idea is coming together. So in the previous essay, this was lacking, and now you have kept those words in mind, and now it is coming proper.
Yeah.
With access to better education, accommodation, and many other essential things. Moreover, there is equality, income. Again, there is equality.
When there is a
Okay,
equal income distribution.
when there is equal, no,
Sorry,
distribution,
equal income
it provides
distribution.
a feeling. It provides a feeling. What feeling? Uh,
Um,
a feeling.
it need to be belonging feeling, belong feeling,
It
like
provides
yeah, entitlement.
just what should I write?
Provides entitled to its society or something like that.
See, your idea is related to better quality of life. So
Yeah.
anything that is related to better quality of life that will come.
When there is equal income distribution, it provides better quality to its society. Okay.
For example, Australia is identified as the second best country in the world for its quality of life. Anyone who resides S
Yes.
in Australia or anyone who resides in Australia have access to essential things with or without money in their bank accounts. Hence, it is has. Okay, hence it is evident that equal distribution, not equally, equal distribution of income creates better quality of life. Good. See, this closing is proper here. Okay, instead of hence, we can also write therefore. I think hence is repeated. Only this something is missing here. Also, you need to write little more in the conclusion. Okay, just check the conclusion that I'm writing for you always, I'm writing in the essays that I provide, because I believe that this has to be little more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the essay discussed that something like that, and only one word will come over here. So I'm going to share this again with you so that you make the changes.
Okay.
Okay, so today we are going to understand advantage disadvantage essay, which is where you just have to write advantages and disadvantages and give your opinion. The structure is
So
going to
it's
remain
gonna
same.
be introduction, advantage, disadvantage, and my opinion, and a closing. So 5 paragraphs.
Not five paragraphs. Paragraphs will be four only. Opinion will come in the conclusion.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Is it visible to you?
Yeah, coming. It's coming. Yeah. All right. Do you want me to read it?
Yeah, please.
Oh, okay. Okay. In the okay, in some cultures, children are told that they can achieve anything if they try hard enough. What are the advantages and disadvantages of giving children this message? Okay. In the contemporary era, there is a trend is certain civilization where children are taught that they can accomplish their goals if they work hard. Like everything, this has pros and cons, which will be elucidated,
Elucidated. Elucidated.
elucidated,
Hmm.
which means explain.
Explained. Yes.
Okay. elucidated in the subsequent paragraphs. To commence with the merits, okay, which is advantage. Hard work can
Instill.
instill. Okay, hard work can instill self-confidence and a motivation in adolescence.
Instill a sense of.
Okay, which drives them towards success. In other words, if a child inculcated the habit
Inculcate. Inculcates. Adopts.
ins- inculcate,
Instill self-confidence. Should I increase the font size?
yeah, please.
Now?
Okay, that's good. Um, okay, to commence with the merits, hard work can instill self confidence and the motivation in adolescent, which drives them towards success. In other words, if a child inculcates the habit of hard work, they understand the value of it and strive towards putting an extra effort into achieving their goals. This helped to develop various skills like perseverance, resilience, and diligence. As a result, such kids are motivated and their every effort is fruitful. To illustrate, a survey conducted by Times Magazine revealed that if children are asked to implement hard work in their lives, then they are likely to be triumphant in their endeavors.
Triumphant means winner.
Winner.
Hmm.
Okay. I mean, you mean achieve.
Achieve. No, triumphant is winner. Like if they implement hard works in their lives, they're likely to be winners in their endeavors.
Hence, okay. Hence, the above example vividly illustrate how this trend has proven to be advantageous. On the contrary, the demerits to achieve something may set unrealistic expectation, which may be time consuming and can lead to depression with no guarantee of success. To
Okay.
expound,
One second, I have to stop you. I'm so sorry. Just want to know that have you understood what the question is and what the paragraph one is talking about?
the paragraph one is talking about the advantages, then
Yes.
it has explained a bit,
Yes.
and then it provide a illustration like example.
Hmm.
Then after that, starting from the hence, the close the paragraph.
Yes.
And on the contrary, you will be started talking about the disadvantages now.
Hmm.
Uh, so talking about the unrealistic expectation. Okay, to expound, that means again illustrate.
Yes.
Okay, to expound, if juveniles are unable to fulfill their aims due to inadequate resources or incapability, it will lead to failure as every goal cannot be achieved. Additionally, okay, there is another explanation. Okay, there are certain physical and mental limitations that prove to be detrimental. Thus, it may result in frustration and suspicion is demotivating. To illustrate, children with weak immune system may not be able to participate in sports, and focusing them to do consequently improve to be harmful to their health. Therefore, the aforementioned examples substantiate that this trend can be
Impractical.
impractical. Sorry. To replicate this essay, elaborated gain of hard work as personal growth and success. However, it also pointed out the drawbacks that are anxiety and frustration. In my view, infusing diligence is necessary for the growth. On the contrary, they should not be made aware of the conditions when choosing such path. Okay, so as my view, I mean the opinion, I have to give advantages and disadvantages. I mean, I have to support the argument. Is that
Yes, you have. No, it depends that you support or do not support. Okay. Now, what why I have written infusing diligence is necessary for the growth. Diligence means